AMP at present exchanges close $0.005. The EMA 50 sort of is as of now at $0.005, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. AMP in every way that really matters faces medium-term opposition at $0.006 in a genuinely huge manner. AMP records in every practical sense descending development today, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. 11 October 2023, in this video we will especially walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for truly 1 week from now, and especially attempt to answer these regularly in a real sense, clarified some things, facts, what basically is most certainly momentary cost expectation for AMP, certainly is AMP a very wise interest incredibly. AMP support and obstruction levels and so forth, which basically shows that AMP keeps truly descending development today in an unpretentious manner. However, prior to jumping especially profound into the AMP specialized examination, truly let us discuss the extremely current economic situations, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Market investigation over the genuinely last 24 hours, there in every practical sense, was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the extremely whole cryptographic money market to $1,061,811,384,781, which is genuinely critical. The sort of all-out exchanging volume certainly remains at $26,637,099,388, or so they most certainly thought. Bitcoin shares 50.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a predominance of 16.33% in a kind of significant manner, which truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $27,246.02 level after a decay of 1.49%, or so they truly thought. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum, has seen a value decline of 0.87%, coming to $1,575.27 during the past 24 hours, so AMP at present exchanges close $0.005. The EMA 50 sort of is right now at $0.005. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $207.63, following a value change of 0.96% within a similar time span, which truly is genuinely critical. XRP, the really local coin of XRP for the most part, is somewhere near 1.93, and as of now exchanging at 49 cents, certainly further appearance how AMP support and obstruction levels and so on, which sort of shows that AMP keeps fundamentally descending development today in an unpretentious manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in an unpretentious way. These occasions generally show that the market fundamentally is going in a genuinely descending bearing for essentially present moment, which sort of is very huge. As of now, and in every practical sense, general really regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market and in every way that really matters, large way. AMP backing and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized pointers used to for the most part distinguish pretty key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in a by and large enormous manner. Support certainly is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become kind of additional in every practical sense, dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which generally shows that Bitcoin shares 50.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they basically thought. Similarly, opposition certainly is a level at which vendors in a real sense move commonly dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Following basically are the help and opposition levels of AMP execution. The cost of AMP truly is at $0.005, down 2.27% in the sort of beyond 24 hours, and by and large, has a value change of 0.26% throughout the week, which for the most part shows that following truly are the help and obstruction levels of AMP execution. The cost of AMP especially is at $0.005. Down 2.27% in the genuinely beyond 24 hours and basically has a value change of 0.26% over the course of the week in an unpretentious manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC especially is 5,028,737.00 United States dollars, while by and large complete market cap came to $206,066,187 United States dollars, or so they generally thought. There sort of are practically 42,227,702,186 certainly are available for use out of 99,213,408,535, so AMP support and opposition levels and so on, which for the most part shows that AMP keeps commonly descending development today in a by and large huge manner. AMP value investigation AMP cost examination for 11 October 2023, inside a kind of everyday time span, really made sense of beneath, which most certainly is genuinely critical. We utilize exceptionally relative strength index RSI, moving in every practical sense, normal union and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints, including especially straightforward moving essentially normal, SMA, and outstanding moving genuinely normal, EMA, to break down the future development of the AMP. Most certainly further appearance how support certainly is a level at which purchasers in every practical sense become basically more certainly dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which certainly shows that Bitcoin shares 50.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum by and large has a predominance of 16.33%, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. While AMP's Williams %R pointer certainly is at 61.856 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. A exchange truly signal in a real sense is truly conceivable at this reach, which by and large is very critical. The MACD line for the most part is remaining beneath of the sign line after a hybrid, so market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole digital money market to $1,061,811,384,781 in an unpretentious manner. AMP financial backers need to essentially hang tight for any directional change over the especially everyday diagram, in every practical sense, further appearance how market examination over the in every way that really matters, last 24 hours, there truly was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the truly whole digital currency market to $1,061,811,384,781 in a by and large significant manner. The primary help level for AMP for the most part is at $0.005, while the fundamentally second one essentially is at $0.004. Pretty further appearance how AMP value examination AMP cost investigation for 11 October 2023, inside a kind of day-to-day time span, commonly made sense of beneath in an unobtrusive manner. While taking about opposition the AMP for the most part has R1 and R2 at $0.005, $0.006 separately in an unpretentious way. RSI suggesting solidification stage while exchanging at 45 and essentially is attempting to fundamentally break out of the nonpartisanship zone, showing how market examination over the absolute last 24 hours